The first genuine hands-on footage of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra has finally surfaced, and it may reveal the most important improvement Samsung has ever made to its foldable lineup. Anyone who's been waiting for the company to address the biggest visual flaw of foldable phones will find this leak especially exciting. Before we break down everything shown in the video, leave a comment and tell us whether a nearly invisible crease would finally convince you to buy a foldable phone. The first detail immediately catching everyone's attention is the inner display crease, because it has become incredibly difficult to spot. Even when the device is tilted beneath strong lighting, the fold line remains barely visible, which is a remarkable change compared with earlier generations. For years, the noticeable crease has been one of the most common complaints surrounding foldable smartphones, but Samsung now appears to have achieved a major breakthrough. What makes the footage even more convincing is that the device does not appear to be a brand new demonstration unit taken straight out of its packaging. It is clearly being handled and tested in a real-world environment, with the person in the video repeatedly folding and unfolding it. That suggests the phone has already gone through some practical use. Yet the flexible display still looks impressively smooth, making the improvement seem far more meaningful than it would on an untouched showroom model. According to well-known leaker Ice Universe, this crease reduction will not be exclusive to the Ultra version. The regular Galaxy Z Fold 8 is also expected to use the same advanced solution, potentially allowing Samsung to deliver the cleaner and more refined foldable experience customers have been requesting for years. So, what allowed Samsung to reduce the crease so dramatically? The answer appears to lie in a completely redesigned hinge system. Although Samsung has not officially explained the technology, current leaks indicate that the company substantially reworked the hinge mechanism to distribute pressure more evenly across the flexible panel. By reducing stress at the folding point, the new design may be preventing the display from developing the deep, visible line associated with previous foldable devices. There may, however, be one compromise. Reports suggest a redesigned hinge could slightly restrict flex mode, meaning the phone might not remain securely positioned at as many partially folded angles as earlier Galaxy Fold models. For people who regularly place their phone at different angles for video calls, photography, or media playback, that limitation may be noticeable. But for users who rarely depend on flex mode, it will probably make little difference, and many buyers would gladly accept that trade-off in return for a smoother, cleaner, and more premium-looking inner display. The leaked footage does not show the rear panel, although existing reports suggest it will closely resemble the Galaxy Z Fold 7. The front design also appears to remain largely familiar, with Samsung focusing its biggest changes on usability and internal engineering rather than introducing a dramatic visual redesign. One unanswered question involves the under-display selfie camera. Previous leaks claimed Samsung had reduced the visible camera area, but in this hands-on footage, it looks almost identical to the previous implementation. The improvement may simply be too subtle to capture clearly on video, especially under compressed lighting conditions. So, a proper side-by-side comparison will likely be needed before reaching a final conclusion. Overall, the footage strongly suggests Samsung may have finally addressed the most recognizable weakness of its foldable phones. The remaining concern is long-term durability. A nearly invisible crease looks impressive during a short demonstration, but the real test will be whether the display maintains that smooth appearance after thousands of folding cycles. Should Samsung's new hinge continue performing this well after months or years of use, the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra could become the company's most polished and desirable foldable smartphone to date. Samsung has also released several official teaser videos highlighting another major change: the wider form factor. The company's new slogan, "New Shape, New Joy," clearly points toward a Galaxy Z Fold 8 with a noticeably broader outer screen than previous models. This wider cover display should make typing, browsing, messaging, and using everyday applications far more comfortable without forcing users to open the phone each time. Interestingly, every teaser release so far appears to focus on the standard Galaxy Z Fold 8, while more expensive Fold 8 Ultra remains noticeably absent. That could mean Samsung is deliberately saving the Ultra model for a bigger reveal, or it may simply be prioritizing the device expected to attract the largest number of buyers. Another detail that has now become clearer is the official naming strategy. Earlier rumors suggested Samsung could rename one of the devices a Galaxy New Fold, But leaked images of official cases appear to confirm that the final names will remain straightforward: Galaxy Z Fold 8 and Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra. Additional specification leaks are also providing a clearer understanding of what Samsung may announce. The wider Galaxy Z Fold 8 is expected to feature a thinner and lighter body, while still maintaining the premium construction associated with Samsung's flagship foldables. One particularly welcome improvement is a reported upgrade to 45-watt wired charging, representing a significant step forward from the previous 25-watt charging speed. Fold users have waited years for Samsung to deliver faster charging, so this change should make the device far more practical for people who rely on it throughout the day. Unfortunately, wireless charging is still expected to remain limited to 15 watts. That feels underwhelming when Samsung's flagship Galaxy S26 Ultra reportedly supports faster 25-watt wireless charging when used with compatible magnetic case. Considering the Fold 8 Ultra's expected price, buyers may reasonably expect it to match or exceed the charging capabilities of Samsung's conventional flagship. Camera improvements also appear to be relatively restrained this year. The most significant change is expected to be a new 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera, which should provide better detail, improve cropping flexibility, and potentially stronger low-light performance. Most of the remaining camera hardware, however, is believed to stay largely unchanged. Interestingly, reports indicate that the Galaxy Z Flip may 8 not receive this upgraded ultra-wide sensor at all, suggesting Samsung is placing greater emphasis on improving the camera experience of its larger Fold models. Samsung is also preparing a broad selection of official accessories, including transparent cases, silicone covers, premium aramid fiber cases, and magnetic cases. Similar to the approach used with the Galaxy S26 Ultra, the magnets are expected to be integrated into the cases rather than built directly into the phones. This should allow users to connect compatible magnetic chargers, stands, wallet, and other accessories, although it means the feature will depend on using the correct case. Pricing remains one of the most heavily debated parts of the upcoming launch, with Apple recently increasing prices across several product categories and further iPhone price increases reportedly expected. The entire premium smartphone market appears to be moving upward. Based on the latest leaks, the Galaxy Z Fold may 8 begin at approximately $1,999 in the United States, while the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra could reportedly start at around $2,999. Samsung has not officially confirmed either figure, but multiple reports agree that the Ultra version will command a substantial premium over the standard model. At nearly $3,000, Samsung will need to offer more than a slightly larger screen and a refined hinge, because buyers will expect meaningful improvements in performance, cameras, battery life, durability, and the overall foldable experience. Fortunately, we will not have to wait much longer for the official details. Samsung has confirmed that its next Galaxy Unpacked event will take place in London on July 22, 2026, with the Galaxy Z Fold 8, Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra, and Galaxy Z Flip 8 are all expected to make their debut. Pre-orders will likely open immediately after presentation, with worldwide availability expected to begin during late July or early August 2026. If the leaked hands-on footage accurately represents the final retail hardware, Samsung may be preparing to launch its most significant foldable upgrade in years, combining a wider and more practical design with faster charging, a thinner body, and a crease that is finally difficult to see. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.